Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I really appreciate your feedback. Many of you told me that instead of typing and explaining at the same time, you'd like me to first type the content and then explain it more simply. So, from now onwards, I'll be sharing my videos in that way. Thank you so much for your support. So, let's get started. Quick recap of Class 1. What is a programming language? Yes, a programming language is nothing but set of instructions which includes text, numerical values, data, code, functions. More importantly, I'll explain you what functions are in upcoming classes, and the logic which we give as an input to the computer. Computer in turn will perform certain tasks or actions based on the input provided. Let's see few examples of programming languages what we have in the real time. So we have many programming languages. A few I just specified here as Python, Java, C++, C language, C hash, JavaScript, Rust, PLSQL, much more. I request to explore the other programming languages for your knowledge. When it comes to what is Python, Python is one of the programming languages like what we have C, C++, Java, etc. And as we know, it's a high level language, right? Meaning in human readable language. So most of the programming language comprises English words where we can easily learn and execute the program. And coming to the model, it's a multi-paradigm model, meaning it supports the structured and object-oriented programming approach, both. And it is moreover interpreted language. And of course, it's have a compiler too. I have added in detail about compiler and interpreter in this video. And what type of programming language is Python? Yes, Python is a high-level language and multi-paradigm programming language which supports structured approach as well as object-oriented approach. So as I said, I have added like what is a compiler and an interpreter with a brief example. Compiler, a program that translates the entire source code of the programming language into machine code, binary language, before execution. So let's correlate this with an example. Imagine you put all the whole fruit, whether it could be apples, pineapples, mangoes, bananas, into a mixer grinder. The mixer grinds everything, right, completely at once and gives you the juice in one go. So you only get that after the entire grinding process is finished. So compiler takes the entire program and translates the program completely into a machine code. Only then you can run and execute it. The same way interpreter is a program, an application, is a small piece of software. It reads the source code line by line and executes it directly without creating a separate binary file. That doesn't require any separate compiler as such. And remember, both are software programs. It's not the hardware. Yeah. So when it comes with interpreter, let's take an example. You cut the fruits into small pieces. You're not putting the whole fruits into the mixer jar. Rather, you are trying to cut the fruits into small pieces and put them one by one into the juicer. The juicer gives you the juice immediately for each piece, right? As soon as it's processed. So we can get the results while the process is still going on. So interpreter takes one line of instruction at a time, translates it, and executes it immediately.